Okay, now when you go to Zoho.com and log into your account, first thing you're gonna see is the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can have access to all the tasks that have been assigned to you. So let's click on CRM, and this is what you're gonna see for the first time when you log into your Zoho account. It's a little bit slow. Okay, on the tab at the top, we have Home, Jobs, Customers, Sales Rep, Careers, which are the most important modules or tabs that we have at the top. First thing you see is all the tasks. What you need to do is to click on the task that's been assigned to you, and it will take you to the activity page where you can see all the details for that task. All you need to do is go to jobs, and in front of jobs, there's a link with the name of the job or number of the job, as we have in here now, and click on that. It will take you back to the job page associated with that job number. Here is all the stages that I already explained in the previous pages that we have to go through from introduction to job completed to make sure that a workflow is working properly and make sure that the job is going through different stages and takes care of all the tasks that it requires to do. First thing you need to do is go through the introduction. When you call the customer, at this point, you click on the name of the customer, which is a link, and it takes you to the customer page. Here is where you start checking all the information that you have with the customer. For this, you need to click on edit, which is a faster way of changing things. And you probably gonna have this job already associated with your customer. If not, you need to associate this job with your customer. And here you can see a whole bunch of information regarding that particular customer for that job, which is the name, number, email, second email. If they have, you can just add it to this page. But the purpose of you going through this is to introduction and to check whatever you see correct. So if the first name is correct, you just check. And if it is not correct, you just add it here. And then you press check because all these checkboxes have to be checked for you and for the system to move to the next stage. If one of them is not checked, the system will know that the introduction level has not been completed and is not going to convert to the next stage, which is update. So again, you scroll down to from origin, which is from address. Basically, you check all these one by one with the customer. And if you have any comments to add, you can add it here. You scroll down and you double check all the destination addresses, city, state, zip code, and type of destination, which could be an apartment, townhouse, elevator, ground. And you also need to check this. And the final part for the introduction is to make sure that all the estimates have been checked with the customers, which is either a yes or a no. Did the customer understand the pickup window? This has to be yes before you can move on from introduction to update. Did the customer understand the delivery window? If yes, yes. If not, you need to make them understand the window for the delivery. And there are some other information. There are three drop-down windows here: inventory update, updated or not, which could be yes or no, and this pricing update also could be yes or no, and packing update yes or no, but they have to have a value. So if you leave them as a none, the system is not gonna let you move on to the next stage. So all these fields, as you can see, need to have a value, all the checkboxes and drop down windows. And if you need any comments, you add it here. As soon as you save it, all the information that you added here will be saved. You can scroll back up and you see the checkboxes that you've checked. Here you can go back to the job. When you go back to the job, you should see that the stage has already moved on or converted to update, which is the second stage. I'm gonna record a new video for update so that the videos don't take too long.